Firehouse Subs, Key Franchise Information. Series Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Firehouse Subs. Firehouse Subs is a fast casual restaurant chain that specializes in hot, hearty sandwiches inspired by firehouse culture. It was founded in 1994 by two firefighter brothers, Chris and Robin Sorensen in Jacksonville, Florida. The brand earns money by selling premium subs, sides, drinks, and catering services through dine-in, takeout, and delivery. Their mission is to carry out heartfelt service and hearty food while supporting first responders through the Firehouse Subs Public Safety Foundation. Their vision is to expand across the U.S. with franchise partners who share their values of community, quality, and speed. Are you wondering if a Firehouse Subs franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll explore everything from their business model and startup costs to the support they offer and how profitable it can be. 1. How does a Firehouse Subs franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Firehouse Subs operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the brand, following strict standards for food prep, service, and store layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $2,000 plus 6% royalty and 5% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Firehouse Subs. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, operations, and marketing. The brand provides a 6-week onboarding program and ongoing support from field consultants and marketing teams.
Anecdote: the first Firehouse Subs location was built using leftover firehouse gear and secondhand furniture. Today, every store still features authentic firefighter memorabilia donated by local departments.
2 entry costs for Firehouse Subs. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $37,900 to $139,200, depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training, additional funds for 3 months of operations, potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is around $933,000. With a 15% profit margin, franchisees can expect net earnings from $13,900 to $14,500 annually.
Anecdote: one Firehouse Subs location in Texas hit $1.2 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a partnership with a nearby fire academy and a hero meal promotion.
3. Step by step. How to register a Firehouse Subs franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, review the franchise disclosure document (FDD), and attend discovery day at headquarters. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $300,000 and liquid assets of $100,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 9 to 18 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote: during Discovery Day, one applicant was so inspired by the brand's firefighter roots that they donated $5,000 to the Firehouse Subs Foundation before even signing the agreement.
4. Taxes and fees in Firehouse Subs. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Firehouse Subs charges 5% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes TV, radio, digital campaigns, and community outreach.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Georgia used their local marketing budget to sponsor a fire safety day at a nearby school, boosting weekend traffic by 35%.
5. Hiring employees in Firehouse Subs. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Firehouse Subs location needs from 15 to 25 employees, including sandwich makers, cashiers, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $9,000 to $22,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through Firehouse University and field support. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a 6-week onboarding program. Crew members use digital modules and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote: one franchisee in North Carolina trained their entire team using Firehouse University and won Best Customer Service in their region just 2 months after opening.
6. Firehouse Subs. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Monthly. Ingredients and resources. $15,000 to $25,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts, salaries and benefits. $1,200 to $25,000, including wages, insurance and bonuses, rent and utilities. $2,500 to $6,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $795 to $5,500 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $500 to $1,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep, licensing and marketing fees. $3,000 to $6,000 based on gross revenue, total of all taxes. Around $2,500 to $5,000 per month including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and tech services. Income tax, reserve.
Anecdote: one Firehouse Subs location in Florida sold over 9,000 sandwiches in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock bread 3 times in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Firehouse Subs help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees and managers complete a 6-week onboarding program that includes in-store training, classroom sessions, and digital modules. Topics include food prep, inventory, customer service, and POS systems. Operational support. Franchise business consultants provide ongoing support with operations, staffing, and performance tracking. Franchisees also receive help with grand opening coordination and business planning. E-learning platform. Crew members use Firehouse University, a digital training system with interactive lessons, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect new menu items and procedures. Marketing. Firehouse Subs offers national campaigns, seasonal promotions, and local store marketing kits. Franchisees get access to branded assets, community outreach templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Ohio used Firehouse University to train 20 employees in under 10 days, cutting onboarding time in half and boosting first-week performance.
I8. Franchise inspections in Firehouse Subs. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Firehouse Subs Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote: a Firehouse Subs location in Colorado passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Red Helmet Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Firehouse Subs. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Firehouse Subs franchisees earn an average annual revenue of $933,000. With profit margins around 15%, net earnings typically range from $13,900 to $14,500 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 15%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 2 to 3 years, depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, community engagement, efficient kitchen design, and high-margin menu items like steamed subs and combo meals.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Michigan broke even in just 24 months, thanks to a location near a hospital and a catering deal with a local fire department that boosted weekday lunch sales.
10. Firehouse Subs in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Firehouse Subs operates over 1,248 locations across the U.S. and Canada. It's known for its firefighter-themed decor, steamed meats, and generous portions, growth and expansion. The brand is targeting 800 new units by 2028, with incentives for multi-unit developers and first responders. International expansion is underway in Mexico, Brazil, and Australia. Challenges. Labor shortages, food inflation, and competition from Subway, Jersey Mike's, and Jimmy John's have impacted margins. Firehouse Subs responds with tech upgrades, loyalty app enhancements, and streamlined kitchen design. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through digital ordering, drive-through formats, and community-driven branding. The brand is also testing AI-powered kiosks and expanding its catering program.
Anecdote: in 2025, Firehouse Subs launched its first location in Monterrey, Mexico, and sold out of subs by 3 p.m. on opening day.
11. Pros and cons of a Firehouse Subs franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition and loyal customer base. B. Proven business model and national marketing support. C. Community-focused mission and foundation. D. Multi-unit expansion opportunities. Cons. A. High initial investment. B. Ongoing royalty and marketing fees. C. Strict brand compliance. D. Competitive sandwich market.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Alabama said, "Firehouse Subs gives you the flavor, the formula, and the fire. You just need to bring the hustle."
Earring 12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Firehouse Subs owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Firehouse Subs training, tech and marketing support with other sandwich franchises. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a pizza brand until they saw Firehouse Subs' community mission and realized sandwiches could serve more than just hunger.
Conclusion. Who is the Firehouse Subs franchise for, and is it worth investing? Firehouse Subs is ideal for entrepreneurs who value bold flavors, community impact, and a proven business model. With average annual revenues of $933,000 and profit margins around 15%, it offers solid returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 2 to 3 years, making it one of the faster payback models in the fast casual space. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $379,000 to $139,992,000, and Firehouse Subs enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Firehouse Subs is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for sandwiches and service. If you're ready to lead a team, deliver craveable meals, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Firehouse Subs location in New Jersey broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 4,200 customers in 24 hours, all through the drive-thru. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Ein Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Is Tropical Smoothie Cafe a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.